You know, I have full cases that haven't even been opened yet. It's ridiculous. So let's crack into them. Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm doing a bunch of cleaning up of my overstock, my massive amounts of extra stuff that I have in my closet, and I thought it'd be cool to make a new series of just opening up some of that stuff. You know, I have full cases that haven't even been opened yet. It's ridiculous. So I got some stuff here. I got a whole case of Matchbox Best of World, Case B, 2017. One of the haulers from Majorette, some 5-packs from Matchbox, and a couple of loose Hot Wheels. Let's crack into them. Starting off with a Zamek Ford Focus RS. I pulled this out of my tote because the top is ripped and it keeps getting snagged on everything. Zamek has such a weird feeling to it. From Cars and Donuts, the BMW M1 Pro Car. A couple of Matchbox 5-packs here. The MBX Billboard Truck. Limousine. GMC School Bus. And here are the two reasons I actually got the 5-pack in the first place. 2008 Mazda 2. And the 2006 Crown Victoria. Another 5-pack here, the Police 5-pack, made to look kind of, I guess, like New York Police, and I got it for the trailer. As silly as that might seem, I really like this Matchbox trailer a lot. Ford panel van, the Mission helicopter, the Acre Maker, and here are the two winners out of the 5-pack, the Ford Expedition, sadly, it doesn't have a tow hitch though, because it would be great to be able to put this on the trailer hitch if it had one. The Pony trailer. This thing is awesome. I don't know why I like it so much, I just do. But you know, it never goes on any of the vehicles that are in the 5-pack that it comes out of. Doesn't make any sense. Still cool though. Alright, let's jump into this giant hauler next. Majorette Porsche Racing. Porsche Motorsports. I gotta say, that's pretty nice. It's got some really nice weight to it. Back opens up. Turns into a ramp so you can store the cars. Gotta say, I'm pretty impressed by the truck, even though I have my issues with Majorette vehicles. The truck is really nice. And of course, we can't forget about the cars. A couple of Porsche 911 GT3s. One in white, one in black. Opening doors. Typical for Majorette. Most of it feels pretty good. The doors that open are a nice feature. Looks okay all around, but it's got those cheap wheels. This stock blacked out version is really awesome though. It almost makes those wheels okay, or tolerable. Okay, let's get into this 2017 Matchbox Best of the World, Case B. Let me get all the cars out of here and lined up for you. Let's start with the booze of the bunch and work our way to the better stuff. Got two of the Dodge Magnum police cars. And two of the 06 Bentley Continental GTEs. That's a pretty decent casting right there. Kept simple. Headlights, taillights. Can't go wrong. Two of the Porsche 914-6. Not a big Porsche fan, but this is pretty cool looking. The wheels look really good with the casting. And here's the main reason why I bought the case. The 65 Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. How nice is that? Kept exactly the way Alfa Romeo wants it. White. The wheels, though, you know, I see what people are saying. The, you know, exaggerated tread kind of makes it look a little more off-roady, which is definitely not the way this vehicle is made. And sadly, the box only comes with one Lamborghini Miura P400S, but I picked up another one a while ago, so we can open this one. This is a really sweet casting. Gotta love my old Lamborghinis. And the case comes with 3 of the '89 Chevy Blazer 4x4s. This is one of the sheriff vehicles from Stranger Things, if you watch that show. This is another reason why I picked up the case. Alright, well that's it. That is my new old stock. A little bit of cleanup from the closet. I appreciate everyone for hanging out, watching my video. Hope you guys are out hunting. Hope you guys are out finding cool things, doing cool things. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.